So we're gonna make a fruit cake here. It's like a gelatin type fruit cake with like fruit juice and coconut milk. So we have kiwi, mango, strawberry, blueberry, and peach. That's all gonna go in the main layer with like a gelatin kind of base, as well as with lychee in that, lychee juice. And then we're gonna do like a juice layer on top of that and a coconut milk layer on top of that. So it's gonna be like a cake bar thing. So first thing we need to do is get the gelatin water sugar mix going so that we can get it in there with the fruit. So we're gonna take 1 1/3 cup of water and put this in. It has to be cold to start out. It has to be cold to start out, and you want to add this in while it's cold. Make that a bit better. So I'm just using 1 packet right now, and I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sugar into the mix as well. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna turn it on. So we're heating it up. And we just need to mix it in until it all mixes together and dissolves nicely. Oh man, I gotta add my lychee juice. We can't forget about that. We need 2/3 of this. That wouldn't have been good. Woo! Making a mess. Let's do it over the counter. When you're right-handed and you pour with your left hand, it's probably not a good idea. Ah well, live on the edge. Right. So 2/3 more of the lychee juice going in. 2/3 total. 1 1/3 cup of water and 2/3 of the lychee juice. So we're just gonna mix this in until it's mixed up nicely and dissolved. And then we're gonna pour some in the pan and get the fruit going. Let me see. Mix it just a little bit more. I love the smell of lychee. It's so good. Okay. I think this is mixed in pretty good now. Have a little look. Yep. All blended. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour just a tiny little layer on the bottom of the pan, and then I'm gonna start to layer the fruit, and then I'll pour the rest in over top of the fruit. So just give me a second to pour a little bit of this in the pan. Just need a little bit. It's just like a thin layer on the bottom. Got that in there. Now I'm going to start adding the fruit. Start to layer this fruit in here. I may have too much fruit, but if so, we just won't use it all. Get these strawberries out. Okay, mango. layer these in. Kiwi. I think the kiwi slices look so cool when you can see them through like the gelatin layer. A few peaches. And some blueberries. Okay. So we've got the fruit in there. Now we're gonna pour the rest over top. Now we're just gonna let it sit. You kind of want this to be covering the fruit. So stuff that's stacked might have to go just a little bit. There we go. And we just have to let that sit.